We have here is a Schlage institutional lock. It's an ND82JD. It's keyed on both sides of the door. It's like a double storeroom function lock used on compactor areas where you need to lock the outside as well as the inside of the building. Because once the dumpster is removed from the building, your door would not be secured. Well, if you use this lock, it will keep the lock secured until the dumpster is put back up against the wall. And then you lock this side for health reasons. And pilfering, you don't want people to come up to this door and open it freely. You want to be able to secure it so people won't put merchandise in this chute here and then after work come by and pick it up. So this is like a security issue here, and this lock has to be secured and locked on all the time. So it's a unique lock. It's not used a lot, but for this situation with a compactor, which basically this is a man door that leads to the outside of the building. So when the dumpster is pulled away after they do trash collection, if you didn't have a lock on this door on the outside, then this would be vulnerable to people coming, just walking right in. And on this side, it's locked for hazards for people just crawling in there or pilfering. You want to lock it down all the time. And that's it. If you have any questions, call us at 404-365-8556. And this is Mark with ILO's Locksmiths. Thank you.